everyone, Namaste. I am Rajni Sharma and I am going to tell you about my new startup, which is very small startup, and the name is Zyka Food Product. It's as name suggests, it's related to food. We are launching lot of food items, but initially we focused on one item, which is Kadha Masala. Everyone knows in India what is Kadha. Like in every house we all drink sometime when we are sick, when we feel feverish or anything. We will be provided by our parents that masala. So Kadha Masala is not a new thing. From very old times, our ancestors are using this Kadha Masala as a medicine. When medicines are not available in market, the homeopathy or allopathy or any type of medicines are not invented. So the ancestors are using this Kadha thing, this Kadha powder as a medicine to treat fever, body pain, cold, cough, even infection and lot of things. So this is not a new thing. This Kadha is not a new thing. What I did, I just make a ready-made form. See, the box is this. I just gather the information from books, and of course Google will help me to gather the information about how much quantity of spices we should take on daily basis on per one serving. So I did some research, and after that I make this in a very proportional ratio, so it is not going to be harm in any way, and it is going to be only beneficial like older days. You can also drink for immunity booster, as a immunity booster, or for like whenever you feel some body pain, feverish. And one thing I would like to share, that this thing is a great substitute of tea. Like we are using lot of things as a substitute of tea, herbal tea or lot of things, but this is the perfect thing because it will help you to maintain your health, to maintain your immunity. So this is it, and we are making in a very hygienic place, and we are not using powdered form. We are not buying powder form. We grind in, we buy raw, and we will grind in my home only. So we will give a perfection in this powder. So this is Kadha Masala. You can see, you can drink twice if you want. As I say, it's a very good substitute of tea also and coffee. Those who are in habit of drinking tea and coffee, and you can also add some 3 or 4 leaf of tulsi pata if you want at the time of boil. What you have to do, just you have to take a teaspoon or a tablespoon according to your requirement within a liter or half liter of water, and just boil for 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes and maximum 10 minutes. And you can also give this to kids. It's a very good for kids. Kids can easily drink it. So I'm just saying, if you want a good substitute of health on the daily basis, try this product. This is Kadha Masala from Zyka Food Product. This is going to be available in market very soon, as we are launching on 15th of August. So just try this when it will come in market, and please share, like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.